My name's Kieran. I'm in kindergarten.
Kindergarten. Who's your teacher?
Miss Cozart.
What's your favorite thing to do at Stratford? Like all day long, what's your favorite thing to do?
Learn.
To learn? Okay. Well, tell me something else you're learning. What are you learning about?
Letters.
Letters? What does this spell? D-O-G.
Dog.
Oh! Okay. M-O-M.
Mom.
Oh my goodness, that's pretty smart. What about Farm Fridays? Do you do Farm Fridays with Miss Cozart? What do y'all do on those days? What do you do?
We do a lot of stuff. We have a theme for the day.
A theme for the day?
That begins with the letter we'll learn about.
Oh.
So what was last week's
Yeah.
Friday? Do you remember what y'all did last Friday?
For pigs.
Pigs. So the letter must have been
P.
P. You got it.
And this week we'll learn about two letters smashed together.
What letter for those? Do you know?
C-H, which is chocolate.
Child.
The best word.
Okay. Well, do you know who I am?
Mr. Bowlds.
Okay. What do you know what I do at school? No, you don't know what I do? What do you think I do all day long? You don't know? Okay, well that's okay. Why just?
Either.
Yeah, they don't either. Yeah, I basically just sit in an office and send emails and answer the phone and stuff like that. Yep.
Stuff
What,
like that.
Kieran, what do you want to be when you grow up?
An engineer.
An engineer? Who? Do you know any engineers?
My dad.
Your dad's
A
an
chemical engineer.
A chemical engineer? Is that what you want to be? A chemical engineer?
No.
Oh no.
I'm not sure what kind of engineer I want to be yet.
But you just want to be an engineer. Well, in a couple of weeks, guess what we're going to have at Stratford?
What?
Something called an open house.
What's an open house?
Exactly. Okay. What do you think it is? What do you think an open house is?
I don't remember.
You what?
I don't remember.
You don't remember?
My mom told me one time, but I don't remember.
Oh, your mom told you one time. Basically what it is we open up all the doors and a bunch of little boys and little girls who don't go to Stratford get to come see Stratford and see the
Yeah.
classrooms and meet Miss Cozart and Miss Fields. If you were leading a tour, if I said, Kieran, you have to walk this little boy around and you have to show him the preschool or anywhere at school, where would you take him?
I would take him around the whole school.
The whole school? What would you want to make sure to show them?
I would make sure to show them the classrooms.
The classrooms. What about the playground? You probably don't like playing on the playground.
What? The whole class likes that.
The whole class likes it? Y'all haven't been able to play lately though, have you?
Yeah.
Why not?
Because the playground's still getting built.
It's still getting built, that's right. It's going to be open in a couple days. Do you ever get in trouble?
Well, sometimes.
Well, what do you do though? What do you do that gets you in trouble?
I talk too much.
You talk too much? Kieran, it's going to serve you well the older you get, okay? Guess who used to get in trouble a lot in school for talking too much?
You!
Me. Yep, I got in trouble all the time for talking too much. And now I just talk all day long. And people pay me for it.
Because you have to.
I have to, that's right. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have one little brother who's 3 years old.
3. Is he at Stratford? No. Will he be next year?
I don't know.
I hope so.
I don't know yet.
You don't know yet? Okay, well, you need to go home and get your parents. I'll send you home with a contract. Okay, Kieran, I think we're good to go. Thank you, bud.